the privilege of having my very close friend Papia, Baul Papia, as she's known the world over, Sufi singer, an actress, an artist per se. She is a Czech Republic citizen. Incidentally, she's now here in Calcutta for some art-related projects and also to shoot some movies. And Papi and we have been bonding very well for the last few months, more than a year. And she has great respect for my craft and vice versa. So I requested Papia out of her busy schedule today to join us in watching this movie. Maybe we will have a scoring by her, her song in one of my projects very soon. So over to you, Papia.
Thanks to Sudeep, Rita, and the whole Nest team. Sanjeev, of course, today we had the screening of mainly the background score. And though it's a very, because I live abroad for 21 years now, and for me it is so enchanting to see that Indians were playing a role which has been shot in France, and Sanjeev, who is also from Bengal. Most of us are from Bengal, and he was doing a complete Western, chambers. Of course, the director is the head of the whole team. So the credit goes to the director, and I didn't expect such an intellectual film. It was a really kind of captivating film all through. It developed slowly today. We watched it nicely, and Death of Spring is the right title for it. And he, being a poet, and a painter who can visualize everything from before, and it was something which was mesmerizing for me to see and to understand that some Bengali is doing that, and that's fantastic to know. I'm very proud that somebody from Bengal, from Calcutta, is doing this. Which can easily, if we don't tell the name Sudeep Ranjan Sarkar, we can always think that it is done by some French film director. So I think, and it has already got some. Already you have been showing
No, we have not shown it, but we have a kind of an invitation from a well-known festival from Italy. I cannot disclose the name till I have an official invitation for this movie, and hopefully we will have a few breakthroughs in the European festival circuit.
I think it should be well received by the festivals. Hopefully, several awards are waiting for this film, and I'm privileged to know Sudeep for more than a year now. Rita also, and most of the Nest team, and looking forward to collaborate and work with Sudeep and flow with the poetry, because his film is more like a poetry than like a proper narrative bracket. So I am also similar. We have an intellectual similarity, and thanks to our dearest Sumit, of course. So most important person behind the camera today is Sumit. Thank you.
Thanks to Sanjeev. The music has been very much to my liking. Of course, the final say is the people who will look at this movie. There's little work left, which perhaps would be over by Monday, and we will finally again meet on Tuesday or Wednesday at the grading studio, which is in Cherry, to have the final, to have a look at the final print. And I would ask Rita, both as a producer and actor, to share her thoughts about this particular film.
Hi, and I must thank first Sarji, Dr. Sarkar, for his concept, for even selecting me for a particular role in this movie. And it was a challenging, it was a unique, and it was a wonderful experience, I would say. And there were big fun also in some location in France. We are just barging in, maybe we are just quietly going and shooting some places. That was a fun. But on the screen, you won't make out that. There are stories behind the story actually. And My thanks goes to
Thank you,
Sanjeev
thank you, thank you.
and
Sanjeev,
for
why don't
the
you say something?
music that he has given. Always some new flavor and beautiful. And as I always say, his music is the soul of our
And share,
movie. Yes.
share. Please tell something about your acting or
Yes.
as an actor.
Yes, the acting actually, Dr. Sarkar, as always, he groomed me for this particular role. And in fact, my entire look was changed. People were amazed.
Yes,
What
yes.
I am looking here is actually my look, but that was for the movie. It was absolutely different. And it was challenging without dialogues that you are doing in a new place, in a new environment. I really liked it, and I look forward to some more work with him.
Sanjeev, why don't you share your thoughts?
Yes, thank you, Dada. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to work with Naze Moving Pixels. And this is my fifth film with them. And thanks to ma'am, thanks to Dada for trusting on me. And Death of Spring, mostly I'm talking about Death of Spring. It's a great movie overall. Mostly few actor and actress from India and few are from abroad. Mostly when I have got this opportunity for score this film. Dada's requirement was fully Western score, mostly based on chamber orchestra. So I guess I fulfill his requirement.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
And ma'am, what's your opinion about BGM?
Wonderful, wonderful. As I always say, his music is the soul of our movie. Always.
Thank you.
We-
Thank you
we-
so much.
I can't even visualize the movie without his music.
Thank you.
Wonderful,
Thank you
wonderful.
so much. Thank you so much,
Wonderful.
Dada.
And the songs also, the lyrics
Yes.
of the song.
And I
He's
want
a
to
lyricist.
I want to mention one thing, one more thing that Dada has written two songs for this
Yes.
film, Death of Spring, and the song scored by Susanne Stephensi, and
From
those
Italy.
Italy, and those two songs has been programmed by Max Mungri from his studio, Max Mungri studio, and they two have done a great, wonderful job. We are truly satisfied, right, Dada?
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
yes.
That's all.
Okay, I have the privilege of introducing to you all the lovely wife of our music director, Bhuneshri Sarkar. And incidentally, she is not just the wife of Sanjeev Sarkar. She's also the director of Octave Studios, which has been scoring all the Nez Moving Pixels movie. The ones, of course, directed by me. And in this particular project, Death of Spring, she is the Foley director. And all the Foleys that you would be watching in this movie, hearing in this movie, are guided and done by her. And like I said, she is the business partner also of Sanjeev Sarkar. They jointly run this Octave Studio from Tollygunge, and they have been doing some great works, the Octave Studio. I must mention Octave Studio and Sanjeev Sarkar is also the digital promotion partner of Nez Moving Pixels and Nez. And for the last few years, Sanjeev has been diligently helping us with the promotions of the projects of Nez Moving Pixels. I am grateful to Sanjeev, and over to Bhuneshri. So why don't you say something about
Right.
this?
Hi. First of all, I just want to say that it's my honor. It's been such an honor to work in Dada's film. Because as Papi Adi also said that being a Bengali, being from India actually, making this kind of film is really out of sight. Means we don't see such thing. And the Foley, of course, I just done those Foley. I enjoyed doing those Foley. Yes, I was also being attached from the last 5 films of Dada, and believe me, means the graph is just stare like this. Means watching this movie, I really enjoy. So, Dada, it's my honor to work with your film. And of course, I really want to thank my husband Sanjeev from the professional field, because from means he inspired me to actually he made me learn to what is folly is. So I really want to thank him also, that today I'm a folly artist because of him only. And yes, of course, we Nez family, Opta family, we are so attached with each other from the very first moment, and we hope to be like this only. And Dada, we want more films from you like this. Thank you, Dada. Thank you, Sanjeev. Thank you, Nez family, and of course, thanks to Octave also for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. My last word on this, so many people keep on telling me, why don't you shoot with Red, why don't you shoot with Arri Alexa, why don't you shoot with, Panavision camera. You can shoot, give me the money, I will shoot.
No, actually,
But I always say, the best camera is the one that you have in hand. You give the entire painting set to an amateur. He will perhaps waste your entire color. You give a pencil to Picasso, he will create a masterpiece.
right.
The art is not in your hands, the art is in the brain, the art is in the heart. So you can make a movie. You can make a movie with this. You can make a movie with anything that is there in your hand. The most important part, I wish to say this to all the people watching this, is they keep on asking, like when people ask me, why don't you shoot with these big cameras? I say, when an end movie goer, audience watches the movie in the theater, they never ask which camera you used, what lenses you used. That's basically for the technical people. They want to hear a great story. They want to hear a great story, and that's most important. Storytelling is more important. We have forgotten that storytelling. I wish to encourage all independent cinema makers out there. If you have an iPhone, which you can damn well buy, anybody can buy an iPhone these days, or a good Samsung quality Samsung which has 4K resolution, go and create a story. It's as good as that. You can create a story. Please do this. For all of you else who are asking me to shoot a movie with Panavision or Arri Alexa, please give me the money. I'm waiting.